In the next several videos, we're going to go through the applications of linear functions. In this one, we're specifically going to look at geometric applications. So here, dealing with geometry, we're typically going to be dealing with area or perimeter or volume or something like that. So of course, it's important when we're dealing with that to make sure you know what some of those formulas are. So here we're talking about the area of a rectangle. So before I even read the rest of the question, it's important for me to remember that the area of a rectangle is length times width. So I believe in your textbook there's a table probably in the back of the book that has all of the geometric formulas. If not, you can Google them very easily. But again, I'm going to always be starting with whatever that geometric formula is. And it's okay for you to draw yourself a picture if it's helpful. So the area of the rectangle, we'll call this the length. We'll call this the width. We're saying the area is 28 square inches. The length of the rectangle is 4 inches. Find the width. So this one's pretty straightforward. I know that area is 28, so I'm going to start with my area equals length times width and plug in what I know. I know area is 28. I know the length is 4. I'm solving for the width. This is a really easy equation. I can't believe I made one this easy for you. I get W equals 7. And so, important thing to remember here is that I would write a sentence then. So I'm not going to waste the time writing the sentence here just for the sake of time for you, but my sentence would read, the width of the rectangle is 7 inches. Here's one for you to try. Keep in mind, if you don't already know, the perimeter of a rectangle, remember, is the distance around. So again, if we're looking at a perimeter, we've got 2 lengths and we've got 2 widths. So it's 2L plus 2W. So press pause now and try this question and then press play to check your work. So again, I have given you the formula. P equals 2L plus 2W. They have given me the perimeter. Notice that it's not square units, it's just a distance around, 38 units. The width of the rectangle is 8 units. So I'm replacing W with 8 and I'm solving for L. So again, this one's pretty straightforward. It takes a little bit more math. We have 38, 2L, 2 times 8 is 16. Now I'm trying to get the L by itself, so I'm going to start furthest away from the L, which is the 16. So subtract 16 from each side to get 22. And now I'm trying to find out what 1L is, so divide each side by 2 to get L equals 11. Again, I would write a sentence. The length of the rectangle is 11 units. So write it out as a sentence.